Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northwest of Gaffney to 11 miles northwest of York to 3 miles south of Gastonia, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Rock Hill, Gaffney, York, Fort Mill, Key Cay, Clover, Newport, and Wesley. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. in North Carolina,
Gaston and Mecklenburg,
and the following in South Carolina.
Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued